What's the biggest lie Filipinas tell foreigners when dating? What is one crazy thing Filipinas do that would make a foreigner run away? Name three things about yourself that would make a foreigner fall in love with you. Something crazy about you that would make a foreigner, run away.
Run away. I think when the foreigner also see me naked.
What are your names and ages?
I'm Ellie. I'm 21. I'm she 20.
What's the biggest lie Filipinas tell foreigners when dating?
They say they are single, even though they have already family. They say that they would stick with you even when life gets hard, but it's a lie sometimes.
If you had to describe the majority of Filipinas in one word, what would it be?
Confident. Wonderful,
Why wonderful?
because Filipinos are amazing in various ways.
And why confident?
Because they possess the beauty in everything they do, like doing house chores like that. They do it with love.
Okay. Now, what is something about foreign men that intimidates you?
Their aura like that. The way they walk
Why? How do they walk?
like that.
Oh, like they're like tough guy?
Yes.
How about you, Ben?
Their height and also their accent.
Their height.
Yeah, because they're so tall.
How tall are you?
5'2".
What is one crazy thing Filipinas do that would make a foreigner run away?
For me, dancing randomly and singing like crazy like that.
A lot of foreigners they love Filipinas singing.
Yes, but sometimes they just sing without any confident like that, or um just random singing.
Like a crazy person, like all of a sudden they're like just singing.
Randomly, yes.
You know people like that?
Yes, a lot of people in Filipinos like that. I think being bossy in some ways.
Filipinas being a bossy.
Yes, in our relationship, they tend to do this, do that.
Do you know a lot of Filipinas being bossy?
Yes.
Name three things about yourself that would make a foreigner fall in love with you. Three. Name three things.
Pretty, um, jolly, and smart, I guess.
How about you, Bea? How about you, Bea?
Faithful, um, pretty, and then understanding.
Understanding and faithful.
Yeah.
Okay, those are like how you are in a relationship.
Yes.
How about you in addition? What are you in a relationship?
I'm the one who provides like that and care.
Provide and care. Like
Care like that.
providing care.
Yes, I love providing something in caring them. Serving them. Like,
Because when you said providing, I thought you're like the sugar mama.
oh, serving them food like that.
Like taking care of them.
Yes.
How many boyfriends you had?
um, only three.
Three. And you?
I'm an NBSB.
You're 20 years old. No boyfriend since birth. Why is that? Are you picky or what?
I'm picking.
Why? What are you looking for?
I want someone who's serious in a relationship, and nowadays it's very rare to find that kind of love.
So that's the reason why you're still single because you felt like no one is serious or it's hard to find someone who is serious.
It's fine. It's hard to find someone serious.
But you got three boyfriends, three ex. She said sana all. But
Single right now.
how long have you been single?
5 months.
Are you from here, from Naga? Both?
Yes. Yes.
Okay, very beautiful. Okay, last question. What are you studying?
Best accountancy.
Financial management and accounting.
What are your names and how old are you?
I'm Mika and I'm 19. And also I'm Sarah and I'm 18.
Both are in college, right?
Yes.
Okay. First question. What's the biggest lie Filipinas tell foreigners when dating?
I'm single.
Why do you think a lot of Filipinas they would say I'm single when they're not?
Because they want to have a foreigner or they want to marry a foreigner.
Why do you think they want to marry a foreigner?
To become rich.
Do you think a lot of foreigners are rich?
um, I don't know, but I guess. I guess, yeah.
If you had to describe the majority of Filipinas in one word, what would it be?
For me, it's vibrant because of the culture, the natures here, the community, and also the Filipino people here. So it's kind. It's full of love. That's all. Um, kind also. Just earlier, and when we were in Mang Inasal, and like we saw a guy, and he gave her his food to a poor guy, which make me soft. That's all.
So you like kind people.
Yeah, I like kind people. I like a soft, just like me.
What is something about foreign men that intimidates you?
For me, obviously, I like handsome guy. But for me, a matured guy. The only way I think is a matured guy.
A matured guy intimidates you.
Yes, that's it.
Why?
Because on my age, I'm not officially matured things, but I want to learn. I want to learn is something new, something good for the guy who teach me for good things.
Okay. So if he's matured, it intimidates you. How about you, Bam?
Arrogant. That's all. No explanation. I don't like arrogant. Even though it's not a foreigner, I don't like arrogant people. That's all.
Intimidates you if he is arrogant.
Yes, it's intimidate me.
Have you ever met a foreigner guy who is arrogant?
Not yet.
yet.
Not yet.
Okay. Mm-hmm. How about you? Have you ever met a matured foreigner or matured guy that intimidates you?
No,
No.
I'm not yet. I knew one guy. I don't already met a matured guy.
What is one crazy thing Filipinos do that would make a foreigner run away? What is one thing, a crazy one thing that you do that could make a foreigner run away? Okay, how about you?
I think when a foreigner saw a girl who's naked, I think they're absolutely run away.
Why? Why? Because she's naked?
Yes, yes. No. Absolutely. The foreigner will surely run away if he saw a girl who's naked.
Do you think the foreigner would think that, oh, she's crazy?
Yes.
Have you seen that here?
Yeah.
Oh, really?
Yes.
You've seen that here? A crazy. What is it? What is it? Is she really crazy or she's just.
She's really crazy. Then I thought it is just scripted, but no, she's really crazy. That's it.
So if a foreigner see that, definitely he's gonna run away.
Yes.
But it's not common for Filipinos to be naked, right?
Yes.
Okay.
I think it's crazy. It's crazy.
Okay. How about you, Beb? Ano ka lang, mahirap ka lang ba?
Oh my God, wala pa ako naiisip na answer.
Okay lang.
Don't pressure dating. For me, I think it's an obsessed girl. Some guy, they don't have, they don't want the obsessed girl for them. I know it's not for the all guy. They want a obsessed girl. That's all.
Do you think a lot of Filipinos are somehow like obsessed or could be obsessed?
Somehow, I think maybe.
Maybe. Okay. Okay. Obsession, and then you naked lady. How about you? What's something that would make something crazy about you that would make a foreigner, run away?
Ran away. I think when the foreigner also see me naked.
What's with the naked? Name three things about yourself that would make a foreigner fall in love with you.
For me, I think for being kind and being show full of effort for some guy, and also forgive a genuine love. That's all.
Um, for me, I think for will can you repeat the question po? I think
Okay, sorry. Name three things about yourself that would make a foreigner fall in love with you. Fall in love with you.
love with me. I'm unique and I am I am gorgeous and I am slightly smart.
Slightly. Okay, and you also sound confident.
Yeah.
Yes, she is. Ano,
She's very confident. Okay, what are you studying, babe?
I'm civil engineering from Naga College Foundation.
I'm a doctor, future doctor, future veterinary doctor from CBSUA.
Do you love pets?
Yeah, I love pets.
So is that the reason why you took that course?
Um, if someone asked me, I would say yes. But if someone asked me deeply, I'll surely cry. So yes, I love pets. That's why I take Doctor of Veterinary Medicine.
Okay. Are you both singles? I heard earlier, right? You're single. How long have you been single?
I think for 2 years.
I think 3 years.
We've been outside for like almost 2 hours. We couldn't find anyone. So we're very happy. We're very grateful that you accepted this interview. We tried to find someone who is a little older, probably maybe like in her late 20s. Because a lot of our viewers, they're requesting someone who is a little older, maybe 28, 29, 30, someone, somewhere like those age. But we couldn't. It's hard because most of the time they're very like, not
It's a BC.
busy. Yeah, busy, or they're in a relationship already. They feel like they don't want to be interviewed because they couldn't how do you say, like,
Not confident enough. They are not confident enough to answer those questions. That's why they really what do we call that term?
they decline the interview.
They run away.
They don't really, it's very seldom to for them to run away, but most of the time they just said they don't want to, they're in a relationship, and only the young ones like your age are like the ones that they really love to be interviewed, and we're actually very happy, grateful for that. What is your name and how old are you?
My name is Hilary. I am 23 years old.
Hillary, what's the biggest lie Filipinas tell to foreigners when dating?
For me, about ito wala man. Parang wala naman. I think it depends on the scenario because a lot of people has different man na need to hide or I don't know. Actually wala man.
How about the common biggest lie that they would say to the foreigners when they are dating?
Single?
They're single when they're not.
Pwede.
Yeah. Okay, second, if you had to describe the majority of Filipinas in one word, what would it be?
Beautiful.
What is something about foreign men that intimidates you?
I guess culture. For example, like we Filipinos tends to be more ano ano ganun, no? Sa Tagalog, like reserved, pero more outgoing sila.
Okay, so you're intimidated to them being outgoing since Filipinos culture were more like reserved.
Yes. Sometimes.
What is one crazy thing Filipinos do that would make a foreigner run away?
Cheat?
Do you think that's very common for Filipinas? Like they would cheat to their foreigner partners?
No, not really.
Name three things about yourself that would make a foreigner fall in love with you.
I guess I'm smart, talented, and yeah, easygoing.
Are you single, by the way?
No, I'm not.
Well, anyway, thank you so much. We really appreciate your time. Thank you. Okay lang, mama. Peace kita, ma'am. 1, 2, 3, please. Sabay kita, ma'am. Pili ka lang po. Hi, everyone. Hopefully, we earn your subscription. And also, if you want extra videos, please consider becoming a YouTube member. Thank you for watching and take care, everyone. Bye.
Beautiful reflections